Friday, the 22nd of April, and welcome to our daily debrief. Just to recap, yesterday we had a big sell off in the commodity sector with Anglos and Kumba and Amplats come with production reports that the market didn't receive particularly well. We had Anglos sell off nearly 8-9% in London, which obviously led our index down with BHP Billiton and all the commodities getting hit, and the rand also getting absolutely decimated. So since our close, we've got S&P futures nearly down 90 points. Market's pretty vulnerable and quite weak in Asia too. We've got only China that's backing the trend, but we've got Oz obviously struggling with the miners. Notable moves, obviously the rand has had a big move of 15.37 to 15.40. We're trading around 14.60 last week, so quite a drastic move, and been speaking about the market sort of positioning towards those dual listeds. I think today will be it is a Friday and last day of the week, so I wouldn't be rushing into longs. I think I'm going to put up a few levels on Anglos and some of the miners, and look at some stocks that showed some relative strength if we're going to look to buy anything. So just to look quickly, I think let's quickly look at the rand. Rand obviously had this vertical move upwards, sort of signaling a bit of a sell-off in our market, and commodities showing some weakness. I wouldn't stand in the way in this. It's clearly broken the trend, and I think now it's going to be a matter of sort of shorting bounces in the rand. Just to look at Anglos obviously got decimated. I think the next support level is only around 718, 720. So I think let's wait until we pick bottoms here. Potentially you might get a shot at that 720 area and see how it behaves there before jumping into any longs. Sasol was one that really traded well. I think this is one maybe to watch. It didn't close particularly well in the States, but definitely one to keep an eye on if it can keep above 363. The stock trades really well and could potentially go to 410. And obviously we had ABSA yesterday with their placement. Stock traded pretty well. I think some of the banks did bounce, started off a bit on the back foot. Maybe watch the stock quite closely today. I think the next sort of interest, let's see if it does get down to that 164 area today. Otherwise, 157 is the next support level there. And the stock that's sort of shown some relative strength through it all has been Telkom. Really held quite well. There's quite a big buy at 44. So I think risk reward probably owning the stock around that area with the target back to about 50 could be also a decent play. So just to recap this morning's ideas, potentially getting short of Anglos or watching Anglos get down to that 720. Watch Sasol to see if it can hold 363 to buy for potential breakout, and Telkom also on the long side. Good luck for today.